we're at the Yuen Kee restaurant here in East Vancouver. So this restaurant has been around for a long time. They're well known for big on taste, big on flavor, and low on price. So let's go inside and check it out. So one of our standard dishes is the beef brisket with some veggies on the side. Siu Twai. Look at that, look at that. Really hot, tender, juicy beef brisket with veggies on the side. The Siu Twai. So it's a Friday night. This place is packed. So you gotta look at the right amount of fat on your beef brisket. So really marinate it, and then it's slow stew. Thank you. So this is the wonton, the dry stir-fry beef with the rice noodles, lots of soy sauce, lots of wok-hei, which is the carbon sear flavor. Look at that, look at that. Nothing beats restaurant carbon seared beef chow fun, beef rice noodles. You smell that carbon sear flavor, and then you taste the carbon flavor. So this is the jellyfish. My mom always orders it. So this is a big full order. So it's lightly seasoned with sesame oil and soy sauce. Look at that, look at that. No matter what we order, she always orders jellyfish. So the jellyfish is nice and fresh. It's got a nice crispy texture, lightly flavored with the sesame oil and the soy sauce. So it's really beneficial for you. It's supposed to keep you young. You gotta try this. Make sure you dip the jellyfish in the vinegar if you like. What texture, what flavor? And with the vinegar, that's an extra layer of taste. So this restaurant is getting pretty busy. It's a Friday night. People lining up at the doorway. Look at that. Look at that. Everybody's lining up here. And then in the back of me, lots of people in the dining room here today. Look at that. Look at that. This is the mixed meat wonton noodle soup. So it's got the mixed meat with the tendons. I call this the guts and glory wonton noodle soup. So you got lots of tendons here, some plump wontons, and some Hong Kong style noodles in a nice broth. Look at that, look at that. So we like the mixed meat in the wonton. So we like the mixed meat, the guts and glory with the wonton noodles. You can have different toppings. So this is seafood congee. Lots of seafood here. You got some prawns, fish, and you get some other things here like squid. So really nice seafood congee. Ooh, giant prawn. So nicely translucent, nice texture. I'm going to give this a try. Ooh, that's good congee. Sign of a good congee, they cook it for a long time. And they don't put starch or anything to thicken it. It's got to be thickened naturally, so sometimes it takes 12 hours or more. So the rice is still translucent, but has some whole grains of rice still. And texture has to be just right. I like it not too heavy, not too thick. And then a good congee, you don't need soy sauce, so stay away from that soy sauce. But this is a special congee. It's got the pork liver. It's got the different ingredients in there. Let's see what's in there.
What?
Look at that pork liver. It's got pig stomach. There's some beef balls in there too. Okay.
Bữa chim chui dân chức đi vô ta kêu bậy chức đi vô ta kêu bậy chức mới hành rất bữa chim trường dân chức rồi. Ok hiện hạ hiện cũng chức là tài là.
So we haven't had congee in a restaurant for a long time, many years. So I decided to order some congee.
Ok. Ok hát chức rồi.
Mà hẹn đến liu, hẹn đến nước lủng là hẹn đến liu rồi, mà.
Kêu bậy chức tới hồi giờ lo.
So my mom she's gonna eat all the toppings. This is the special chow mein. Look at that. Look at that. So we have the sliced barbecue pork, Got chicken, squid. You got some nice prawns in the back here. And of course you got the nice crispy noodles, lots of wok hei. So we have the crispy noodles from the carbon steel wok. So this is the wok hei, carbon steel flavor of the noodles. So this is the deep fried chicken. Look at the color of the skin, nice and crispy. So they're famous for their deep fried chicken. So make sure you dip the chicken in the rock salt and the soy sauce. Yeah, look at that, just smother it. This is the deep fried chicken. Nice color skin, it's crispy on the outside, moist, tender, and juicy on the inside. That's really good chicken. They're really famous for the chicken here. Saw it here last time, so we decided to order it today.
So this is a recipe for Chinese beef brisket stew with Daikon radish. So I'm going to cut the big piece into two. It's about 2 pounds on this piece. So we've got some water boiling here. We're going to put the beef brisket into the water for about 10 to 15 minutes just to get rid of some of the fat, impurities in the blood. Keep the pieces fairly large. Okay, just like that. So we just use a potato peeler to peel the skin. Use a potato peeler to peel the skin of the daikon. This is a large one. So this, just cut off the ends first. So I'll just cut off the ends there. So we're just going to cut it in fairly large pieces. So you don't have to cut it any pattern, you know, just rough cut it like that. So put about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. So put in some ginger and garlic. You can leave these in large pieces. So turn the heat on to high and just sear the ginger and the garlic. So the beef brisket has been parboiled. And now put the beef brisket into the pot. Okay. Okay, so put about 3 to 4 cups of water in there. Yeah, I know. So put 1 teaspoon of salt. So put about half a teaspoon of chicken soup base. Put 1 teaspoon of brown sugar in there. Put about half a teaspoon of sesame oil. So put 1 to 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Put 1 to 2 teaspoons of oyster flavored sauce.
Go ahead.
Okay, half a mandarin orange peel. So maybe 2 or 3 pieces. Put about 3 star anise in there. So star anise has a licorice type of flavor. And finally, put 2 bay leaves in there. Cover with a lid. So let the beef brisket simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. Make sure you turn the heat down to medium when the water starts boiling. The beef brisket has been boiling for about half an hour. So now we're going to put in the Daikon radish. So we got about maybe 3 to 4 cups of Daikon radish. So if you want to darken the sauce, just add a small amount of dark soy sauce. A teaspoon will do it. So this is the special sauce that we need. It's Chu Hou Paste. So this has fermented bean curd in it. So it has lots of complex bean flavor. So you put about 2 tablespoons of this paste in there. Put 2 tablespoons and just mix it in. And continue to simmer. So put the cover back on. So just taste some of the beef, see if it's tender enough. So I tried it out, it's already tender enough. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in 1/3 cup of water. So we're just going to thicken the sauce. So put a little bit at a time. There you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for beef brisket with Daikon radish. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.